be the center of it all. Wonderful Apex location within minutes of shopping, restaurants. After a hard day's work, go for a dip in the pool, enjoy a game of tennis, a romantic walk to the lake, or just go to your huge bonus room and throw on your favorite movie and chill. Luxury living at an extremely affordable price. Convenient to Highway 55 and 64 in North Carolina 540. Location, location, location. This one will not last long. Your ticket to happiness is within your grasp. Don't miss out. Home warranty included.